So first off, the aesthetic. The one that greets you, her name was Raven. She was rocking the blue. You go, girl. Anyway, our mission to inspire appreciation and conservation of our aquatic environments. Get a clue of what I do? Nature. Nature, baby. Ooh, smells like animals too. Otters. 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 Yo. Listen, otters. Okay. Where they go? Oh, there they go. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Oh, cool. The way that fountain comes up. So cool. Oh. Where, one got left behind. Where you going? Where you going? You got lost? What happened? Okay, you're working it out. You're working it out. You just wanted to take the scenic route. Okay, that's cool. See, all's well that ends well. Probably a Pisces. Anyway, we're at the aquarium today. And Val's wonderful world. Oh, the fishies. Okay. Yeah. I passed a little fish. Please do not touch. Yep, that's how I feel about it too. Please do not touch. I'm just for, yep. Do not touch her. Do not touch her. We're coming for you if you touch her. We're coming for you. We're coming for you. Notice I have fun everywhere now.